Hi, y'all. I'm Linda Greenberg. Welcome to my podcast, Southern Gardens. I've been a professional landscape designer in the Carolinas for over 30 years. In this podcast series, I'll be sharing fabulous gardening tips, planting strategies, and interviewing garden experts from all around the world. I thought it'd be great to be able to give you tips on creating your spring garden. Some of the most important aspects of a garden goes on right now in your garden. Things like getting your garden beds ready. That means soil bed prep, which means using great organic mix. Also, mulching is great. Plant-specific fertilization. That means if it's plant-specific, that means if you have camellias, you buy camellia food. Use that in addition to like a basic hollytone, which I use on pretty much all the plants, but I have my little love potion where I do hollytone, a little bit of ironite. Ironite helps with any of the yellowing or vitamin deficiency with a plant material. If the leaves are turning yellow, that's what it's called. It's chlorosis. Milorganite is another great little, fabulous little tip. It kind of keeps the deer away for a while until it rains, of course. But it adds a lot of green to your both your turf and your plant materials. So whether it's leaves on a beautiful shrub or tree, it certainly helps. So I usually do a 60-20-20 mix of hollytone, ironite, and milorganite. And then, of course, the plant specifics, whatever that might be. So when I go garden shopping for a client or just myself this time of year, I want to make sure to always incorporate like annuals. This time of year, of course, would be like pansies and snapdragons and some ornamental cabbages and things of that sort. Maybe some stock would be in stock this time of year. And just kind of add that for some texture and color and form. That's going to get you through until like a really good spring bouquet, like right after Easter and everything, whenever the pansies start dying back, and that's when you go into, of course, like more of the begonias and vincas and that type of thing for the rest of the year. So I could talk endlessly about flowers, what type of flowers to get, but I think the spring is a great time to think about your garden. Is it really what you want it to be right now? Have you given it much consideration? Have you added to your garden? Does it need to be updated? Does it need to be transformed? Do you have areas that you need privacy in that you don't have privacy now? How about sound barriers, like with roads or children that's too close that maybe you don't have children and you don't want to hear the noise of other children or see their playground? So those are like ideas and things that we talk about whenever you would hire someone like myself, landscape designer, to come out and work with you on your garden spaces. Typically, whenever I go to a garden center, I'm always looking at, of course, the best quality. I check out the root ball or the root system of each plant. So let's say I'm buying azaleas for you. I'm going to pull that azalea out of the pot and actually inspect the roots to make sure they're not girdling and that they have been treated well. Maintenance of a plant before you get it is probably more important or as important as what you do once you get it in your garden. So plant selection is huge. It's one of my favorite things to do. It's also the most difficult is finding out the palettes, the textures, the colors, the forms, the fragrances, and make that be like a symphony of all of that. When one plant stops blooming, the other starts blooming, and then so on and so forth. The trees, whether they're growing in the right form that they should be growing, if some of the tree canopies need to be lifted or pruned or trimmed, this is the time of year to do that. Get your garden ready for a beautiful spring. This is the time of year. Pay attention to all of this. Make sure your irrigation is working properly. Make sure your mulch is taken care of. Also, no matter what you do, when you're planting, always use great organic soil. Mycorrhizae is a beneficial fungus. If you can find any soil that has that in it, please use that. It really makes a big booster difference to the overall health of your plant that you're planting. But in the meanwhile, enjoy your gardening experience. Please visit me again on Southern Gardens Podcast. I'm Linda Greenberg. Contact me if I can help you in any way. Thank you for growing with us on the Southern Gardens podcast. You can stream all of our episodes on Spotify. To inquire about our services, advertising, or getting involved with the podcast, please email us at southerngardenspodcast@gmail.com. You can also visit our Instagram at Southern Gardens Podcast. Stay in bloom. Until next time, happy gardening.